It's simple time and this is Chef Tato and today magluluto naman tayo ng isang classic rice recipe. Let's start cooking!
Simple, luto na, ha-ha.
This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook recipes where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya eto na tayo, magigisa na tayo ng ating ingredients. So in Hokkien, yung ibig sabihin ng Kiampong is really salty rice kasi it's rice cooked in soy sauce. You can do it on the stove top or you can use your rice cooker. Sobrang simple lang gawin. And we just heat up our oil. Yan, meron tayong oil. And we're using Golden Fiesta palm oil and we just saute our garlic. Yan, until it's aromatic. Lightly toasted on the sides, hindi natin kailangan na sobrang luto. And onions, very quick saute lang siya. And our pork, meron tayo ditong diced pork, mga 1 cup or you can add more. Pwede mong dagdagan kung gusto mo ng more pork. Saute that. I will also add my shiitake mushrooms. So yung shiitake mushrooms ko are dried mushrooms which I soak in water na to rehydrate. Ito siya, mas malasa talaga tong dried shiitake mushrooms kaysa sa fresh. So, ito siya, saute it. And I will season with soy sauce. I'm using Silver Swan soy sauce. So, alam mo, yung Silver Swan soy sauce, it started in Binondo more than 80 years ago. So, ito pang heirloom recipes natin to. Heirloom mga Chinoy recipes natin. Ito yung ginagamit natin. And I just season my pork with my soy sauce. Mabango na agad yung mushroom and the soy sauce. And I have some Chinese sausages, no? Chorizo Macau. And I just cut it into strips. Yan. Let all the flavors meld. Gusto natin lumabas yung mga flavors nito. And I season with black pepper. Let's saute that. Let that cook for a while. And I will add my carrots, no? Minced carrots. You can also use kalabasa, no? You can mince the squash para madagdagan ng vegetables yung ating rice. And yung bigas natin. Dalawang klase yung gamit ko. I'm using 1 cup malagkit, sticky rice, and 1 cup na regular rice. So, I'm using jasmine rice. And this has been rinsed, no? And I just add it into my pot. Yan. Sobrang simple. Just put everything together. Of course, we add our seasoning. So, meron tayong oyster sauce. 4 tablespoons of dato puti oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of dato puti vinegar. Yan. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So, yun yung pangpalasa natin. Kaya pag kinain mo siya, pa siyang humba rice of sorts. Parang ganyan ang datingan. And a half teaspoon of salt. Kasi salty rice nga siya, di ba? So, half a teaspoon of salt. And I will add my stock. You can actually use water, but in this case, I'm using chicken stock. 2 cups rice and around 2.5 cups of liquid. Yan. And so, halo lang natin siya. And look at that. Sobrang easy. Sobrang dali. I'll just cover the pot and let it simmer. In the meantime, meron ako ditong mustasa, no? Yung mustasa natin, inasinan ko to because I'm using fresh mustasa. Ito, just squeeze out the excess liquid. And we're just gonna chop it. And later on, pag malapit na siya maluto, we're just gonna add it into our pot. Yan, so, siya, may mustard leaves. Yan. Chop lang natin siya. And put it on standby until we need it later. Yan. I love mustasa. Kumustasa kayo dyan. Be sure to rinse it after mo asinan para you don't make the rice too salty. And for our garnish later on, we will have our fried peanuts, our adobong mani. Yun ang very classic pag nakakita ka ng fried rice sa Binondo or sa Banawe. And look at that, our rice. Pinahinaan ko na yung apoy. Pinahinaan ko na yung heat niya para mag-in-in and the liquid is almost fully absorbed. But before dry up yung ating rice para mag-in-in siya, ihahalo ko na tong aking mustasa. No? my mustard leaves. And we just wait for that to cook. And it's done. Yan. Ang ganda, ang bango. Fluff it up a little bit. Yan. Ito siya yung kanin ulam, no? Of course, it cannot be without our adobong mani on top to give you the perfect Kiampong experience. Kiampong rice, made simple for you, kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing, kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!